Let's look into this blood plasma thing real fast. Cause we got the blood plasma centers all around the city. And they say they doing what they supposed to be doing or whatever. Helping the people. And I'm gonna show y'all the little chat I was having with Chat GBT about this. But blood plasma is very unique to your person. Blood plasma is a light amber colored liquid of blood in which blood cells are absent, but which contains proteins and other constituents of whole blood in suspension. It makes up about 55% of the body's total blood volume. It is the intravascular part of the extracellular fluid, all body fluid outside cells. All body fluid outside cells. It's cool. Y'all can look this up when you know, you rewind it, like, share it, subscribe. You know, it is mostly water, up to 95% by volume, and contains important dissolved proteins, 6 to 8%, e.g., serum albumins, globulins, and fibrinogen, glucose, clotting factors, electrolytes, hormones, carbon dioxide, plasma being the main medium for excretory product transportation, and oxygen. It plays a vital role in an intravascular osmotic effect that keeps electrolyte concentration balanced and protects the body from infection and other blood related disorders. Blood plasma can be separated from whole blood through blood fractionation by adding an anticoagulant to a tube filled with blood, which is spun in a centrifuge until the blood cells fall to the bottom of the tube. The blood plasma is then poured or drawn off. This is crazy. For point of care testing applications, that's cool. They can have all that. It still can't defy nature and the nature of your idea. Plasma can be extracted from whole blood via filtration or via agglutination to allow for rapid testing of specific biomarkers. Blood plasma has a density of approximately 1,025 kilograms or 1.25 grams. Blood serum is blood plasma without clotting factors. Plasmapheresis is a medical therapy that involves blood plasma extraction, treatment, and reintegration. All right, they talking about the volume where they try to come up with these accurate numbers that you can't listen to people who can't fly. Say we gonna fly a rocket to space and can't do it, and just doing That don't matter right now. Plasma proteins or fibers. Serum albumins are the most common plasma proteins, and they are responsible for maintaining the osmotic pressure of the blood. Without albumins, the consistency of blood will be closer to that of water. The increased viscosity of blood prevents fluid from entering the bloodstream from outside the capillaries. Albumins are produced in the liver, assuming the absence of a hepatocellular deficiency. But what's HIPAA dealing with? What was the word? Oh man, it's gonna be real fast. Hepato. Hepatitis is bad. Right, exactly. Medicine for the liver. Yes, sir. I'm going as fast as I can. Hepatite. Hepatite. To liver hepatitis. Itis. Inflammation. Inflammation. Genitive of hepar. Liver. So anytime you see itis at the end, it's a yeah, it's inflammation. I wonder, do people be remembering this when they be reading, so you can fully comprehend what you read? Phospholitis. That's another one, meaning like kind of like calcium producing, plaque producing, getting hard, stone like in a place where it shouldn't be getting like that because you have dehydration. See that math? That's how it works. Globulins. The second most common type of protein in the blood plasma are globulins. Important globulins include immunoglobulins, which are important for the immune system and transport hormones and other compounds around the body. There are three main types of globulins: alpha 1 and alpha 2. Globulins are formed in the liver and play an important role in mineral transport and the inhibition of blood coagulation. I could have swore it just said there are three main types of globulins, and it said alpha 1 and alpha 2. Globulins are formed in the liver. We can always look up the other one. An example of beta globulin found in blood plasma includes low density lipoproteins. Low density that matters. See the density, whether it's high, low, it don't matter. It's a density. It's a weight, which are responsible for transporting fat to the cells for steroid and membrane synthesis. Gamma globulin, better known as immunoglobulins, are produced by plasma B cells and provides the human body with a defense system against invading pathogens and other immune diseases. I'm trying to build the narrative around why y'all see you would be sacrificing people for this stuff. Sacrificing being lying. Hold up. Yeah. Sacrificing would be lying. It could be uh you just giving the wrong direction. Like you're being a false guide. One dependable. All I'm saying. Fibrinogen. That's a stupid word. We could have called it something else. Like it proteins make up most of the remaining proteins in the blood. Fibrinogens are responsible for clotting blood to help prevent blood loss because it's fiber. Simply fiber. It just make that makes sense. Uh-oh. Check this out. The color. Plasma is normally yellow due to bilirubin. If baby have low bilirubin, they get pale like this. Talking to the brown people, even the pale people, any baby, bilirubin low, pale. Carotenoids. Carotenoids are in fruits and vegetables. So, what diet are we being promoted today in New America? No carotenoids. And the carrots they saying carry is because you see the root is keratin, carrot. But is we really supposed to eat carrots? Dr. Sebi don't eat said don't eat carrots, right? But he was healing people and got crazy testimony. Hemoglobin and transferring in abnormal cases. Plasma can. And I talked about carotenoid beta. I talked about all this and other streams, not streams, but videos. Plasma can have varying shades of orange, green, or brown. The green color can be due to ceruloplasmin or sulfohemoglobin. The latter may form due to medicines that are able to form sulfonamides once ingested. Is that sulfur? A dark brown or reddish color can appear due to hemolysis. It's talking about all these being crystalline too. So they all are breaking down light to a gas, breaking down energy, material to vapor, in which methemoglobin is released from broken blood cells. Methemo, methane, is plasma is normally relatively transparent, but sometimes it can be opaque. Hypocness is typically due to the elevated content of lipids like cholesterol or and triglycerides. The origin of plasmapheresis, right? Dr. Jose Antonio Grifols Lucas, scientist from Villanova a la Geltrú, Spain. He founded it in the 40s, 10 years before hip hop, right? They got blood for Britain. So you could you just a question, something a thought. Could they have told? Could they have been doing this to our community because we don't know what plasma is and that we need it and that it can help us reverse these like cancers? But if they knew that, why would they want ours? It's saying people can save other people with a. It said people can save other people with a plasma, like people getting plasma transfusions. But that's gonna only last for so long. Because once you do it, it's gonna be like a drug. Blood for Britain program, 1940s. American Red Cross is got their hands in it. Look, following fear, no. At present, 2024 blood donated in the United Kingdom is used by UK Blood Services for the manufacture of plasma blood components, fresh frozen plasma, and cryoprecipitate. Mm, cryogenesis. However, plasma from UK donors, check this out. Plasma from UK donors is still not used for the commercial manufacture of fractionated plasma medicines because it wouldn't work. You'll turn the you say I can treat you right. You gotta keep giving them that. You turn it into they dealer now. We don't know. We ain't paying attention to how deep this shit go. This is the surface penetrating. This is soul altering. If a swiper knows swiping level, I swear. Like it's cool. This is like religion. This is religion. Cause it's like, believe me, I got all the credentials, but I fuck up majority of the time. I fuck up. I'm just human. Remember? Don't fault me, even though I said it. Even though I said, hey, I got everything you need. Come here. They acting like they ain't promoting it like that, but it's being promoted like that. Otherwise, you wouldn't have a number one. A number one, the number one doctor, the number one astrophysicist, the number one weird. But I remember I was telling y'all about this the American Red Cross. Claire Barton. Look how she dressed. She make me think about Van Helsing in nighttime.